The clock that wouldn't hurry. In a small town tucked between green hills, there stood an old clock shop. It was run by Mr. Elias, a quiet man who believed time was something to respect, not chase. Inside the shop were hundreds of clocks, tall ones, small ones, golden ones, wooden ones, but none of them ticked loudly. They moved gently, as if afraid of disturbing the moment. One afternoon, a boy named Leo rushed into the shop, breathless and impatient. "Sir," he said, "my life is falling behind. Everyone else is moving faster than me. I need a clock that runs quicker." Mr. Elias looked at him kindly. "Why do you want time to hurry?" "So I can succeed sooner," Leo replied. "I don't want to waste years waiting." Mr. Elias nodded and led Leo to the back of the shop, where a strange clock hung on the wall. Its hands moved slowly, almost lazily. "This clock shows your true pace," Mr. Elias said. "Take it home, watch it every day." Leo was disappointed, but took the clock anyway. Days passed. Weeks passed. The clock barely seemed to move. At first, Leo grew angry. Then, slowly, something changed. Because the clock moved slowly, Leo stopped staring at it. Instead, he started reading books, learning new skills, helping his family, and practicing patience. He noticed sunsets. He listened more. He worked without rushing. One day, months later, Leo realized something shocking. He had grown confident, skilled, and calm, while his friends, who rushed through everything, were tired and unsure. Leo ran back to the clock shop. "The clock changed me," he said. "It didn't move fast, but I did." Mr. Elias smiled. "Time never rushes," he said. "Only people do, and those who hurry too much often miss becoming who they were meant to be." Leo left the shop, no longer chasing time, walking beside it. Lesson of the story: life is not a race. Growth happens when you move with patience, purpose, and awareness, not speed.